Hey guys, I hope you will be fine. Again, I'm here with a new video. In this video, I'm gonna teach you 10 sentences which we use in daily life. Before starting video, I request to my loyal viewers that if you are new on my channel, then please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon and select option all so that you can get notification of every coming video. So without wasting time, let's get start our lesson. So first sentence is I hurt you unintentionally. I hurt you unintentionally. मैंने अनजाने में तुम्हारा दिल दुखाया. Second, get on the bus. Get on the bus. बस में चढ़ो. 3. You will have to adopt to these rules. You will have to adopt to these rules. तुम्हें ये कानून मानने पड़ेंगे. 4. Barking dogs seldom bite. Barking dogs seldom bite. भौंकने वाले कुत्ते कभी काटा नहीं करते. 5. Make my bed. Make my bed. मेरा बिस्तर लगा दो. 6. Look away. Look away. कहीं और देखो. 7. Forget this matter. Forget this matter. इस बात को भूल जाओ. 7. You are blunt. You are blunt. तुम मुंह फट हो, यानी बगैर सोचे समझे कुछ भी बोल देना. 9. You always backbite others. You always backbite others. तुम हमेशा दूसरों की गिबत करते हो. The last one is 10. My mouth, my will. My mouth, my will. मेरा मुंह मेरी मर्जी. So guys, these were my 10 sentences. I hope you will like it. See you in next video. Have a good day. Take care. Bye bye.